I'm going to show you how to change a hard drive out in an HP EliteBook 840. I have a brand new solid state hard drive. And I want to put it in here, take out the old hard drive. You want to shut it, turn it over, pull this little button this way, pull this door off. You want to take out the 4 screws that are holding this in. Try and center it. Just loosen them. Now we're going to want to push the hard drive in that direction. And push it and pull it up. Little tight fit. There we go. Did you get that out? But I want to take these screws out of the sides. Now this thing has two solid state slots. You could put 2 solid state hard drives in this thing if you wanted to. One is a SATA slot, and one's I think they call that PCI Express slot. I'll show you on the motherboard here in a second. Or you could use a solid state on the PCI Express, and then a solid state in the regular hard drive slot. You want to make sure that you put this in there just like that one. So that's the way it was. This hard drive is a lot lighter, that's for sure. Once that's in there, just want to pop it back in. There we go. What's up, buddy? If you look right here, you could put a second solid state hard drive there. It plugs in. up in here. And it, no, actually, it plugs in up in that direction. Then you put a screw right here to hold it in. So you can have 2 hard drives in this laptop. Put your bottom cover back on, and then you want to latch it, and there you go.